operating system, or also known as OS. It is a piece of software that is installed on a computer's hard drive and allows the computer hardware to communicate and interact with the software. A computer and software programs would be worthless without a computer operating system. The evolution of operating system is inextricably linked to the advancement of computer system and the way in which users interact with them. So for more knowledge about the operating system, here is a quick tour to the evolution of computer system.
The computer network has many resources such as software and hardware that are mandatory to finish the task. The operating system acts as the controller of all the above-mentioned resources and assigns them with specific programs executed to perform the task. The evolution of operating system is marked from the programming of punch cards to training machines to speak and interpret any language. So first, let's start with the various evolution of operating system. First is the serial processing. It develops around 1940 to 1950s. Programmers incorporated the hardware component without the implementation of operating system. The problems here are the scheduling and setup time. The setup time is involved when loading the compiler, saving the compiled program, source program, linking, and buffering. If any intermediate error occurs, the process gets started over. Next is the batch system. It is used by improving the utilization and application of computers. Jobs were scheduled and submitted on cards and tapes, then sequentially executed on the monitors by using job control language. The first computers are used in the process of batch operating process, made the computer batch of jobs without any pause or stop. The program is written in punch cards and then copied to the processing unit of the tape. When the computer completed a single job, it instantly begins the next task on the tape. Third is the multi-program batch system. It is used to have several jobs to execute which should be held in the main memory. Job scheduling is made up of the processor to decide which program to execute. Fourth is the time-shared operating system. It is used to develop the substitute batch system. The user communicated directly with the computer by printing ports like an electric teletype. Time-sharing systems are used by multiple programs to apply to the computer system by sharing the system inactively. Multi-programming is used to manage multiple communicative jobs. The time of the processor is shared among multiple users and many users can access the system terminally. Last is the Macintosh operating system. It was dependent on decades of research on graphical-oriented personal computer operating system and applications. In 1960, the photo shows a Sutherland Pioneer program Sketchpad is developed by using many characteristics of the modern graphical user interface. After many research gaps, the project on large computers and enhancement in hardware made the Macintosh commercially and economically feasible. Now, let's proceed to the operating system in the trend. The current operating system provides program execution, I/O operations, communication, file system manipulation, error detection, allocation of resources, accountant, and protection. Operating system is an advanced multi-feature operating system applied when there are rigid times needed for the flow of data or the operation of a processor. The distributed operating system is an interconnection between two or multiple nodes but the processor doesn't share any memory. It is also called as loosely packed system.